Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maths Academy by DG. Today we are going to continue the chapter IT of inverse trigonometric function, chapter number 2, lecture number 7. I have completed totally 6 lectures. Yes, so I have completed the properties of inverse trigonometric functions also, which is important for 1 mark. And please all of you by heart goal all the properties which are useful for us in exercise 2.2 also. Okay. So see the example 3 here having on the board, which is already asked for 2 marks in NCERT board. Okay. So see example 3, what is asking? Show that the bit number 1 is there, bit number 2 is there. These two bits are similar to each other. So first I will complete the bit number 1 and I will give the bit number 2 for you people. Yes. Say here bit number 2 is having here sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to, we have to show that 2 into sine inverse x. So that's why just I am taking here, let x is equal to, I will write here x is equal to sine theta. What I am going to take here, x is equal to sine theta. So you have to observe the right hand side part also. Right hand side having sine inverse. Right hand side having sine inverse, that's why I am taking x is equal to sine theta. If the right hand side having cos inverse, then I will take cos theta. Yes. So that's why I am taking here x is equal to sine theta. Now by taking the LHS part of this 2x into root of 1 minus x square, this is the LHS. Yes, is equal to sine inverse of 2 into, in place of x I will write here what, sine theta, into root of 1 minus I will write here sine square theta. Yes or no? Now sine inverse of 2 into sine theta, root of 1 minus sine square is what? Root of 1 minus sine square, we can write cos square theta. Yes, from the trigonometric ratios. Now see here sine inverse of 2 into, I will write sine theta, root of cos square theta can be written, square root gets cancelled, you will write here what? Cos theta or not? Yes. Now sine inverse of, I will write here 2 sine theta cos theta. Again we are having the trigonometric ratios formula here, that is 2 sine theta cos theta can be written as what? Yes, you people have to say already all the formulas we have completed in the which first PUC means 11th standard. Yes or no? So all of you by heart all the formulas from the trigonometric ratios. Again we are going to use all the formulas in the inverse trigonometric functions also. Remember, that's why the formulas in the trigonometric function, they are the very important. See here 2 sine theta cos theta. Suppose if you don't know the formula 2 sine theta cos theta, so we won't do the solution for this question. Yes. So that's why remember 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing but, I will write here sine 2 theta. Yes. Next we are having the property, since I will write the property here, sine inverse of sine theta or sine x is equal to what? Sine inverse of sine x is again x. Yes or no? So next here sine inverse of sine 2 theta is nothing but, we are having what? 2 theta or not? So next one is the left hand side already having here sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. So next sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 into, what is theta? See here x is equal to sine theta is there na, implies that we can write by sending sine on left hand side, again theta is equal to sine inverse x or not? X is equal to sine theta, I am sending this x on left hand side, it will be sine inverse x is equal to theta or not? So theta is equal to, we got here sine inverse x, put in place of theta sine inverse x. See the solution, bit number 1 solution RHS, that is 2 into sine inverse x or not? So we can say this is the RHS. Yes. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the way we are going to show the LHS is equal to RHS, and this is the very important for 2 marks. And suppose by observing the bit number 2 here, so sine inverse of having in both the LHS having the same one, but the right hand side having 2 into cos inverse. Sir, how we can complete the solution for that? Means we have to take, let x is equal to cos theta, from that theta is equal to cos inverse x. Similarly, in the similar manner we can complete the solution. So all of you complete the bit number 2. Okay. Suppose if you are not able to get the solution for this, please make a comment. I will cover in the next class. So we will take the next question. See, this is the example 4 again, which is important one. show that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of p by 4. Okay. So before going to start the solution for this, so suppose in the left hand side having tan inverse, again one more tan inverse in between plus or minus. So we know that one of the property that, so I am writing, we know that, so friends, if you don't know, so also you have to write, we know that, yes. So we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Yes or no? In between having the plus, that's why we are taking the plus here. So next, just I will apply, in place of x is what, 1 by 2, in place of y is having 2 by 11. So that's why we are taking the LHS, tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of, I will write here, in place of x, see here, in place of x having 1 by 2 and in place of y having 2 by 11. Yes or no? So our next one is 1 minus, again x is nothing but what? 1 by 2 into y is nothing but 2 by 11. Yes. After that, see, tan inverse of, I will write here. So LCM, we can take LCM is what, 2 into 11 is nothing but 22. The cross multiplication of this is 1 into 11 is 11 plus 2 into 2 is 4. Yes. We have completed the numerator part. See the denominator, again we are taking in the denominator also LCM 22. Yes, 2 into 11 is 22. So 22, there is no anything, is nothing but 1. So 22 is LCM. So multiply this with 1. So 22 minus 1 into 2 is again what, 2. Yes or no? So some students, they will get the small confusion here. So how you are writing from this step? So I will explain. See here. What I am going to say is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 is having na. For this I will write, just this is the rough one. For this I will write 2 into 11 is nothing but here 22. Yes. Next, after writing this, just make the cross multiplication. 1 into 11 is 11 plus 2 into 2 is 4. That's all. You have completed the numerator. And what about the denominator, sir? So just see here, denominator actually 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11 is having. Yes, sir. So now I will write for this. This is actually rough work. So we have to observe, this is nothing but 1. So 2 into 11 is nothing but what? 22. Finally we are having the LCM is 22. Okay. So next one, this total part is we are having the 22 or now? 22 into 1 is 22. Okay. And after that minus, already having 22. So 1 into 2 is 2. Yes, all of you understand this? Now see, 22 gets cancelled here. Tan inverse of, we got the 15 in the numerator. And whatever the denominator, that is 20. Yes or no? So next, in the 5 table, 5 3 times gets cancelled. 5 here 4 times. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. So final result is tan inverse of 3 by 4. It is RHS or not? See once again, this is the RHS. It is a very important question. Maybe he will ask the 2 marks. We will see the next question. See, this is the example 5, which is the very important one. See, express tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x. So x is in between minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 in the simplest form. Okay, we have to express this in the simplest form. So we will see here. Now I am taking in the solution tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x. Yes. Now I will write for this tan inverse of, we know that again we have to observe the trigonometric ratios chapter in the first PUC. Yes. So here cos x, for the cos x I will write here cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. This is a very important formula. Cos square formula we are writing here. Cos, in the 11th standard we have completed the trigonometry ratio. Cos 2a is equal to what we will write there? Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Yes or no? So we are using that formula, but here having cos a, like that cos a. Cos a is cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Yes. So next 1 minus sin x. Sir, sin x we can write. We know that the formula sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Yes or no? All of you know this formula. So now in place of 2a, just I am going to replace a. Yes. So in place of 2a, we are writing the half angle. So we have to write here also half angle. Yes or no? So that's why sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Remember. Okay. and the numerator also just I will explain here. So we know that the cos 2a, that is cos square a minus sin square a. Yes or no? All of you know this formula. So now I will write this cos 2a, in place of 2 I am taking the off angle. So means cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Yes, this is the formula we are using here. This formula and this one, both the formulas we are using. But here having x and here having what, just a. Just we can replace in place of a x. What will we write here? Cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Yes or no? So now, so sin x is again in place of you are writing x. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Yes. Next one is tan inverse of, I will write. This is the form of a square minus b square or not? See the numerator, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but we'll write a plus b into, yes, a plus b into a minus b. Yes, this is the basic formula or not? A plus b into a minus b, and the denominator just I will make the little bit changes. Again one more formula. That's why the number of students they will again ask the doubt in the study or session, because of, see, this is the question. In this we are using the number of formulas from the trigonometric ratios. So that's why the students again they will be asked, sir, we are not able to understand this solution. Okay, so that's why I'm going to say very slowly. So please observe here. So we know that cos square a plus sin square is equal to 1 or not. In place of cos square a, I will write cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. Whether it is equal to 1 or not. Because of, if the two angles are equal, again we can get the answer is 1. Okay. So there is a and here also a. There is a by 2, a by 2. We are having the 1. So now see, in place of 1, I will write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Yes, all of you. So next minus, already having 2 into sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Yes, completed now. Next one is, so up to here all of you, okay. Suppose if you are not able to understand, please make a comment. Okay. Again I will recover this one in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So no need to get the confusion. See here, tan inverse of, see, tan inverse of having cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Yes. In the denominator, see, this is again one more formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Yes or no? A square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but a minus b whole square or not? That's why a is cos x by 2, b is sin x by 2 whole square. Sir, what is the use of this you are writing here? Means, sir, once this part gets cancelled or not? Yes. Next, then the left out part I will write here tan inverse of, so in the numerator left cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and whatever the denominator, sir, here, so that is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Yes, completed. So see, the continuation of this one will be here tan inverse of, so from the numerator, suppose if you got cos x by, like here, cos plus sin by cos minus sin. Remember, you how to convert this total part in terms of tan. Sir, why we are going to convert this as in terms of tan means, remember, already in front of this bracket having the tan inverse. Yes or no? Suppose we got this total part in terms of tan. So now we can have the formula again from the inverse trigonometric functions property, tan inverse of tan x is equal to x or not. So we can apply that formula. So that's why remember, so if we are having the tan inverse outside, so we have to try to get this total part has a tan. Yes. So now I am going to convert this the bracket as in terms of tan. See, from numerator and denominator, just I am going to divide with cos x by 2. Sir, why we are going to write cos x? We are going to divide with cos x by 2 means cos x by 2 gets cancelled, but sin by cos it will get what? Tan. Yes or no? So that's why I will write here cos x by 2 by cos x by 2. Again, just I am going to divide sin x by 2 by sin x by 2. It is a very easy to understand. So next one, denominator is again divide with cos x by 2 here. So all of you able to understand. Suppose if you are not able to understand, please make a comment, sir, we are not able to understand in this some particular region. Yes, so definitely I will cover that in the next class. Tan inverse of, see, cos gets cancelled here, also cos. So finally we got 1 plus sin by cos is nothing but tan or not, tan x by 2, and the denominator is 1 minus, again we got tan x by 2. Do you know this formula? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. What will write there? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is nothing but what? Tan inverse of, this is the formula, all of you remember, tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Theta is nothing but x by 2. Suppose in the numerator having the plus, you have to write plus. In the numerator having the minus, denominator having the plus, then you have to write here minus. So remember this formula, tan of pi by 4 plus x. And one more thing, there is a formula here, tan inverse of tan x is equal to what? X or not. So I am going to use that formula here. So tan inverse of, C, having this formula or not? Tan inverse of tan, say this total as x. Tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, means we got here pi by 4 plus x by 2. Yes or no? Once again I will repeat, tan inverse of tan, see this is x, total part is x. See, tan inverse of tan x, tan inverse of tan x is what? X. So we got here pi by 4 plus x by 2. Yes or no? So this is our final solution. So all of you copy it and make it 2 times practice for this question, because of it is important and the little bit confusion also having in this question. So we will see the next question. See, this is the example 6. So having here cot inverse of 1 by under root of x square minus 1. Yes. So we have to write in the simplest form. Yes. So now how we will write the solution for this means by observing the cot inverse of. So it is a very easy to have the solution, but first we have to know that, sir, how to get the solution from this. Yes. So now this total part we have to get actually cot. Yes, because of cot inverse of cot x is nothing but x or not. So that's why remember we have to get here the inside the bracket cot, suppose which is outside having the cot inverse. So I am going to try to get this bracket has a cot. Okay. So how will you get that? Means see, suppose in place of x square minus 1, in place of x, if you are applying any trigonometric function out of 6, whether we are having this total part as a in terms of cot. Is there any choice to get? All of you observe. Yes, all of you think. Whether any choice to get this total part has a cot? Yes. What is that means? Suppose in place of x I am writing the secant theta. Sir, why you are writing the secant theta here? Means by writing the secant theta, just I will recall you people do trigonometric formulas are there. So secant square minus 1 is again what? Secant square minus 1. Do you know the formula? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Yes, you know this formula, but you don't know this one. Yes. So 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. By setting this one on right hand side, so we will get tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So that's why I am going to put this total part here. Let x is equal to, I am taking finally what? Secant theta, implies that what you will write? Theta is equal to secant inverse x. Yes, secant inverse x. Now here cot inverse of, I will write 1 by under root of, in place of x we can write secant square minus 1. Yes. Now from this cot inverse of 1 by, now I will write this formula tan square theta. Yes or no? Next one is cot inverse of 1 by, square root gets cancelled, it is tan theta. Yes. So cot inverse of 1 by tan can be written as cot or not? Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot. So finally we got the cot inverse of cot theta or cot inverse of cot x. So it is nothing but what? X. So all of you write on this formula here. Okay. Since you people must be write this one here. Okay. So we got the x. X is nothing but here what? Theta. Next what did theta see here? That is secant inverse x. So we have completed the solution for this. Okay. So in this class we have completed from 3 to 6 examples. Okay. So we will see the next example in the next class. So all of you see the exercise 2.2 also. So check the some questions. Maybe you will do the some questions. Okay. If you are doing advancedly the some questions, you will get the more concept. Okay. So thank you.